Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you something simple. This is a video which gonna show you how to replace your toner cartridge in Ricoh MP 301. Let me show you. It's a 301. That's SFP. Okay, SFP. Yeah. So look what it says. So you can literally press the instructions. It can show you the instructions you go to. That's the second step, third step. You see, it shows you how to do that. But then, if you don't want that, what you do, you see, you go to the left here. There is a thing. You open it. It can stuck sometimes, and also on the left hand side. Okay. When it's like this, that means you've accessed the toner hub here, to the toner. So now you have to lift this guy. When you pull it, it won't come out. So because these machines are a little bit older, so what happens, they have a hook. I wonder if you can see a hook here, but since it was broken, it's always green something. You touch here, you're gonna find something. My camera can reach here, but you're gonna find something little. It's a part of that which broken there. So you pull it this side, like inwards. When you pull it, this gonna slide out. So then you can slide this out. Yeah, it will be like that. Then you push the toner, the empty toner at the back. Then you take it out. You can see it's empty. There's nothing here. After emptying this, sometimes you could find that this is also dirty. You can use a dry cloth, then maybe a blower or something to suck this to clean it up a bit. Then after, when you get your new toner, put it like this. But because the toner always gonna have this thing on top, if this can be seen, let me go in the light. It's gonna have a little plastic on it. This one, don't remove that. The toner itself, it will remove it. Then after removing it, it knows what it's gonna do. So don't remove that. You also, it has a cover on top. You only remove the cover. So once you remove the cover, then you can put it. I don't have a new toner, just I'm showing you because I ordered one. And you put it in, but you push this side. After that, you slide in this. It's gonna click like tip. Listen. Yes. Once it does that, you cannot even pull it out, right? After, then you put this guy down. After that, you close. Oh, there's something wrong. It has misalignment. Okay. Wow. Wonder why it's behaving like this. Okay. It came out from, this thing came out from the door. Okay. Once you close that, it should know that there is something changed, but there is nothing. So you start making noise, then it's gonna read the toner. Once everything is done, then you are good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.